How to cook quick and simple sauteed mushrooms? Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips and suggestions how to live a healthier and a happier life using natural methods and remedies. Mushrooms are classified as vegetables. Technically they are not plants but part of the kingdom called fungi. However, they share some characteristics with plants and, as you will find out, even with animals. Mushrooms are low in calories, have virtually no fat and no cholesterol, and are very low in sodium. Ingredients that needed to make this recipe: 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 cup chopped portobello mushrooms, 2 teaspoons dried oregano, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon steak seasoning rub, optional. Here are the directions. Heat butter and olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Stir mushrooms in the oil and butter until well coated. Sprinkle oregano, garlic powder, and steak seasoning on mushrooms. Stir to coat. Cook and stir mushrooms until lightly browned, about 5 minutes. Watch our other healthy lifestyle videos below and find out easy and quick green smoothie recipe. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website healthylifestyle.com for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about health and wellness. Choose your date in the description below. Until next time, and remember, a healthy life is a happy life.